Welcome to the vlog. How you gonna turn the car on?
I did it on purpose. Damn.
We are about to go to Target. We're gonna get a Christmas tree and some other things. We're gonna put the Christmas tree up today.
Okay.
So, you guys will see that.
Damn,
But
I need some gas.
need to get back into the habit of vlogging, so this is my attempt. So we'll see you at Target. Alright, so this tree is 7 foot tall. That's kind of scary. We got this little Merry Christmas thing that is gonna go up there. I have to figure out how to get it up there. I don't know if it comes with sticky stuff or not, but that's gonna go up there. I have to put this tree up. Got it from me on Target. It was only like what, $24 I think?
Yeah, because of this stuff.
40% off. Then we got these little ornaments.
Fabulous, bro.
Here's the Cozy Pal.
Star of the show.
And then we got these, which were also on sale for like $9. So.
You want me to make that noise?
Yeah.
You want me to make that noise?
Yeah.
Welcome back to the vlog. It's nice and loud out here. I'm meeting my friend Camille for, I don't know what time it is. I think lunch. And then I'm gonna go hang out with Courtney. Then I'll be home. So, see you guys later. Good morning. We're afternoon. It is 12:30. I'm leaving Target. I'm about to go back home. I just got stuff for Thanksgiving. And y'all, I'm gonna cook. And I'm like, I never cook no Thanksgiving meal, so we're gonna see. But today we are going to look at a townhouse. It's super rainy out, so I would rather be in the house. But we're gonna go look at a townhouse, which I'm excited about. And then we have to go to the Polo store. And other than that, it'll be a pretty chill day, but I figured I would vlog today. So we'll see you guys probably either at home or in the car. So see. I like the countertops.
Yeah.
So this is nice.
Is that closet big enough?
Yeah.
So there is a patio. Oh yeah, this is sick. Oh, this is, I didn't know it was one that was, I didn't know it was like, I thought it was gonna be like everybody's connected to this.